Mickey Bro Chef here. Been getting some complaints on my site about my series called It's Not Gourmet Bro. So to stay away from being sexist, I'm bringing in a chick, and this series is called It's Not Gourmet Sis. So stick around for
super radical slow cooker ribs and sweets.
Yeah, we got our super radical rib rub here. This is formulated for ribs, fantastic on everything else. Anyways, we're gonna get after this. We've got Constance Curtis here of Constance Curtis Event Planning.
That's
me. Is that what it's called?
Yep, Constance Curtis Events.
Nice, and she kills it. If you're getting married, having a bat mitzvah, bar mitzvah, having a baby, if you're, anyways,
okay.
We'll link her site on the post and you can check it out. But Constance is checking into the Zone diet currently, so I'm gonna have her mix all this up as I kind of explain and go through the blocks and break down the macronutrient composition of what we're gonna make today. Okay guys, so with the Zone diet, we kind of have to approach it like an experiment, and I've approached today's recipe like an experiment as well. We've got grams and pounds, right? So metric and standard system going on, and we're just gonna break it out like this. So Constance, first thing, let's strain the 4 sweet potatoes into this strainer right here. Go ahead and dump that in. And if we look at 4 sweet potatoes, ours weighed in at 1.7 kilos, or 3 pounds, 12 ounces. So those are rather large. Normally 1 sweet potato is 3 carb blocks. We're gonna go with 4 C per pot potato at 16 C. It's gonna give us 16 carb blocks. They're a little bit bigger, so 1 more carb block per sweet potato, okay?
Perfect.
Bowl comes in, and then let's take all those ribs and throw them in the bowl. Yeah, there you go. Get in there, Constance. We know you're not shy. Okay, so we have 6 pounds of ribs.
Okay.
We're gonna drop half of that weight for the bone, and we're gonna drop another half of that for cooking waste.
Okay.
Okay?
So 1.5.
Yeah, so we're gonna go from 6 pounds down to 3 pounds. That's gonna give us 48 ounces of the cooked weight. Then we're gonna subtract again half of that for the bone. We're gonna say there's a total of 24 ounces of cooked pork. Divided by 1.5 gives us 16 protein blocks. Follow?
Got it.
All right. So then if you look, we've got 16 protein blocks, 16 carb blocks. We need 16 fat blocks to balance that out. Now there is some fat included in the meat, but we're actually gonna add back 16 fat blocks of healthy fat at the end.
Okay.
So once we garnish this, we're gonna use some mayo.
Okay.
That'll give us our healthy fat
Yum.
and put us in the zone.
Perfect.
Huh?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Okay, so next step, I want you to take the super radical rib rub right there. We've got 50 grams of super radical rib rub. 50 grams.
Okay.
Go ahead and sprinkle that on.
Mix it all up.
Yeah, go ahead and mix that up. Good, you gotta get a little bit there.
Oh wow.
Huh?
Wow,
Throw
look
half
at that.
that
Fancy.
spice out of the bowl. Huh?
Yeah, it's oh yeah, that's good.
Okay, and then let's throw an onion in there. Boom, diced onion, 1 diced onion. And then we're going with our sweet potatoes, yeah.
Let's let you toss it again.
Bro Chef, step in. Is that what you need?
Show us those bulging biceps.
Look at that. So from there, what I want you to do, you need to pack all of this into that slow cooker right over there.
And how long will this slow cook for?
We're gonna cook this one for 10 hours. 10 hours on high.
That sounds really
Be
good.
nice
That's
and
a long
tender.
time.
Boom. Yeah, but I mean, if you get up in the morning, you throw this together.
Yeah, it's perfect.
You go off to work, you come home, your dinner's waiting for you, huh? There you go. Use those biceps.
Yeah, so it doesn't need any liquid or anything.
No liquid. Well, actually, here's what we're gonna do. If you're a culinary ninja, you got a little bit of this, and this is not required, but rib jus, you might call this rib jus. When I smoke the ribs, halfway through, I'll put the ribs in some foil, and then I'll take them back out of the foil. When I take them out of the foil, I drain all the juice into a container, and this is what results. So we're just gonna break this up. We're gonna put 1 little piece right here and 1 right here. And then let's throw that lid on. There you go. Like a glove. But what'll happen as soon as that starts to cook, everything's gonna shrink down and be just fine. So I happen to have done this same process 10 hours ago, and through the magic of digital media, we'll be right back with the finished product.
Go 20 hard.
Boom! Check it out. Let's just pull one off the top for a little. Ooh.
Wow.
Little sampler. Oh no.
Hot.
Oh no, it's falling off the bone. Oh no.
It's really.
Oh shucks. So there we have it, guys. We've got our
Super radical slow cooker ribs and sweets.
I'm Nikki Bro Chef here with Constance Courtesy Vents, doing what we can to help you
Keep it paleo.